In this video, I will show you how to check your computer's CPU temperature. For this, go to your favorite browser and in search bar type CoreTemp download and press Enter. Then select first link pointing to CoreTemp link. Then click on Download link. Downloading is in progress. You just have to install it. It will run CoreTemp software. Also, it is created on desktop and you can run it anytime. You can see I have 4 core for my CPU, and it is showing current odd minimum and maximum temperature. It is also showing T-junction temperature, which is maximum temperature CPU can reach safely. Now let's look at another software called HWMonitor Pro. For this, let's go to browser and type HWMonitor Pro and download and install this software as shown here. After installing, go to search and type HWMonitor Pro and select it from the list. Under Temperature section, you will find all core temperature like current temperature value, minimum value, and maximum value. In this way, we used 2 software to check CPU temperature. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and press bell icon to never miss any update.